Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the ledger. Today I will tell you the process of balancing the accounts and the sample of the balancing of an account and the balancing of the different kinds of accounts. So first you may see here the process of balancing of an account. So first you have to make one account and then the entries of the recording entries to put here and the items on the both side. So then the both side of the ledger account is to be done. So here the find out the first is after passing the all the recording into the posting means into the particular account from the journals to the ledger, then the process of balancing will be start. After closing this, like I am giving the one example here, like the 1st January to 31st January, you have the data. And all the entries related to the 1st January to the 31st January, that means or maybe the in between the January, if you don't have on the 31st January, balances will be calculated on the 31st January at the end of 1 month. So that means all the entries related to suppose of machinery I am taking, the machinery's items all to be put to the debit or credit side as according to the recording of journal or the subdivision of journal, then balancing will be start. So first make the all the posting into a one particular account called as like machinery. Then you have to make the total of the both side. First, how to calculate the balance, that means balancing of account makes the total of the both side first, and then find out the difference where the difference is standing now. If the credit side is short, like I'm taking the one machinery account, put the debit side total is suppose 10,000, put the credit side total is suppose 6,000. Now you may see that credit side is short by 4,000. You have to now fill the 4,000, and then this 4,000 is in front of the 4,000. You may have write down the by balance carried down because it is the credit side is short. That if it is on the debit side, then to balance carried down will be placed. If it is on the credit side, then by balance carried down will be placed. Which side is short? But these are to be for the assets, liabilities and capitals only. So first of all, find the difference. The debit side total, if it is more, then write the difference by balance carried down. But if the credit side total is more, then write the balance to the debit side to balance brought down. And then makes the total of the both side total should be equal. But when the balance is carried down by balances, it will be forwarded on the next one called as first Feb to balance brought down. And the to balance brought down will come beside is more. And this is to be called as debit balance when the opening balance is on the debit side. So balance is to be called to the balance brought down means the opening balance, not to the balance closing. The closing balance will help to make you the closing entries, but the balance is same forwarded. This is helpful to make the opening balances. So the bring out the balances to the next month by putting the same balance brought down. It can be on the debit side, it can be on the credit side. So total of which is more, it is called as the balance. If the debit side is more, then it is called as debit balance of the same particular account. If the credit side is more, then it is to be called as credit balance of the account. So this is a sample of the balancing of an account. Now you may see the one entry has been taken line the furniture account debit to bank. Furniture account is to be opened first to pass the all the entries related because here only the one entry has been taken. So the furniture is debit to bank is listed here. So the bank account is there, then buy furniture will be listed here. So many entries are there, may be related to the bank and to the furniture. First you write down the entries from the journal to the ledger and then make the total of the both side. You may see the total of debit is 25, but you don't have the total. That means the total is nil. But you have to pass the entry which side is short to put the balance by balance brought down, and again the make the total of the both side is equal. So when it is equal, that means put the double line, it is the closing of one particular month. And now this balance is to be forwarded where the balance is more, that means called as to balance brought down. So 25,000 closing balance, the same balance is forwarded. In the same bank, you may have the 25,000 on the credit side, but the debit side you don't have the total. So it means the balance is short by the 25. It is to be put as a balance carried down with the 25 and makes the total of the both side. It should be equal. And then the balance is to be forwarded. But this balance is carried down and brought down is to be done only for the assets, liabilities and capital. But the other item which are related with the revenue and expenses, then balances are to be closed with the profit and loss and trading account. Balancing of the different accounts now. When you are balancing the account, you may have to focus on the three aspects, the rules: personal account, real account and the nominal account. When I am talking about the personal and real account, it means I am talking about assets, liabilities, and the real means asset and the personal means liabilities and capital mainly. And now first of all you may see the items related with the personal account. Like these accounts are generally balanced. All the balance carried down and brought down will be done. So it means the personal account may be in the form of creditors and the debtors. Any person's name may be of real person, may be of artificial person. This is shown in balance sheet. So it means the personal accounts data listed with the balance sheet. It called as normally with the liabilities and capitals. And now the real accounts. Real accounts are generally balanced in the same value. The value of asset will be known and shown in the balance sheet. The first and second, the both are to be shown in the balance sheet. That's why the balance sheet which show the item on the end of period called as closing entry, and when forwarded called as opening. The opening balance sheet data is called as opening entry. Now the nominal account, these items are not to be balanced. These items are transferred to the final accounts directly to the trading accounts or to the profit and loss. A debit balance is a nominal account called as expense, called as loss, and the credit balance called as gain. They are shown in the trading and profit and loss because it takes time to prepare the final account, means the trading and profit and loss account. Still, at the beginning of the level, you may put as a balance, but by the passage of the time, you will get which balance of the nominal account will go to the trading account and then to the profit and loss account, because the one item, one account will go to the trading or to the profit and loss, not to the both side. So the here the allocation, it means any ledger accounts may be personal, may be real or may be nominal. So the five rules are there. According to the rules I am saying: L liabilities, C capitals and A asset. These items if are associated to be balanced. In the items of the nominal, if it is there, still at the beginning you may shift to the profit and loss account. It means in place of the balance carried down, you may write down there only to the profit and loss account. But the few item wages at the starting of the wages, octroi, etc. can be shifted to the trading. If you don't know, you may put at the beginning the profit and loss account, because the profit and loss account compulsory to maintain. Trading account is to be maintained only with the manufacturing company. It is not maintained by the all the organizations. So this is the aspect related with the how to balance the accounts. If now you may have to make practices with your book also, if it is related how to create the balance, makes the practices with the help of the example and the back exercise also. Thank you.